Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga barely lasts an hour, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to battery wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, it can hinder your productivity and lead to more significant problems down the line. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the battery. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a replacement battery compatible with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga, and an anti-static wrist strap to avoid any electrostatic discharge. Let's get started. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. To open the device safely, place it upside down on a soft surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as they can be easy to lose. Once all the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. Now that the back is open, locate the battery. The battery is usually a large rectangular component, connected to the motherboard with a few wires. Gently disconnect these wires by pulling on the connector, being careful not to tug on the cables themselves. Once disconnected, remove the screws securing the battery in place. Remember to note the type of screws used, as you will need to replace them later. After removing the screws, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Now take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables to the motherboard, making sure they are securely attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reconnecting the battery, replace the screws to secure it in place. Finally, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Now your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Yoga should be ready to power on. To avoid future battery issues, make sure to update your device regularly and avoid extreme temperatures. Limiting background applications can also help prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.